Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Roblox error code 267 tick from game. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to disable VPN and proxy. For that you need to enter into your settings. For the settings you need to enter into network and internet. Over there you may see the VPN or proxy and then proxy. Please click setup and then please disable it if it's enabled. Then save it and close it. And please check the game is running perfectly or not. If not, continue the second step to reinstall the Roblox. For that you need to uninstall the game first. For that just enter into your application and then install the apps. Over there search for Roblox and then uninstall it. And to install you can either use web browser or Microsoft Store. Once it's done, our third step is to clear the Roblox cache. For that you need to press Windows R and then type %local app data %/Roblox. Over there please delete the log folder. Now once you delete it, please close it. So the fourth step is to allow the Roblox through Windows security. For that you need to enter into the Windows security. Please enter into the firewall or network protection. For that please click allow an app through firewall. And then please scroll down. Please click change settings and then please scroll down. You may see Roblox and check whether both private and publics are enabled. If not, please enable and save it. So the fifth step is to install Windows Update. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over there Windows Update and please click check for update. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. So the sixth step is to restart your PC. I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved once you restart it. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. For more subscribe to YouTube. Bye bye.